What's up, Matahunt? It is Miss Harris back again with another math game. This time, we're going on a shape hunt. You can find shapes everywhere. So you can decide if you want to do your shape hunt inside your house or if you want to go outside. Wherever you decide to do your shape hunt, you can choose to take pictures or you can get a piece of paper and draw pictures of the shapes that you find. You can find shapes everywhere. So here's a picture of my kitchen, or part of my kitchen. There's a lot of shapes in this picture. So let's see. I'll give you a minute. See what you can notice in this picture. So I noticed that on my stove, I have some knobs so that I can adjust the heat. They are circles. And also, I have a decoration on the back of my stove, which is also a circle. I also noticed that the stove in the oven, the whole thing is a rectangle. So my stove is a rectangle, and also the dish towels on my stove are rectangles. I use those to clean up when I'm cooking. Now, the last shape I notice is that my pot holder is a square. A pot holder is important so that you can pick up a hot pot without hurting your hands, but my pot holder happens to be a square. Now over in this part of my kitchen, I have a cabinet, and this is where I keep my fruit and some of my bread and snacks. So let's see, what kind of shapes do you see? I noticed that this mini watermelon is a circle. This loaf of bread is a square. And then I have some rectangles. My cabinet is a rectangle, and the shelf itself is a rectangle. Now I went inside my fridge and I pulled out some things because I noticed a lot of shapes. So first I noticed a lot of circles. My soda can is a circle. The cheese is a circle. The ice cream is a circle. And the bottom of my yogurt container is a circle too. I also noticed that there are some ovals on the cream cheese package and on the milk package. There are ovals. Finally, I noticed that some of the packages are shaped like rectangles. The milk bottle is a rectangle, the butter is a rectangle, and the cream cheese box is also a rectangle. And now the other thing I noticed is that some items have a different shape depending on which way you look at them. So check this out. If you turn over your can of soda and your cheese and your yogurt, you might notice that you have some different shapes. I noticed that the top of my yogurt was a square, and so was the top of my cheese package. And the soda can, if you look at it from the side, looks like a rectangle. Now let's see what else I can find. So I looked in my bathroom and I found that my hair elastic looks like a circle. I also noticed that my hairbrush and my mouthwash have ovals on them. The shape of the brush is an oval, and the shape of the logo or the decoration on my mouthwash bottle is also an oval. And there are a lot of rectangles. The Q-tip box is rectangles. The Band-Aid box is a rectangle. The nail polish is a rectangle. The rubber band box is a rectangle. The mouthwash bottle is a rectangle. And the label on my hair gel is a rectangle too. It's a lot of rectangles. So I hope you have fun on your shape hunt. Don't forget to send a picture to your teacher, whether it's me, Miss Harris, or any of the other kindergarten teachers. We would love to see what kinds of things you find. You can also draw pictures of the items that you found. We are so excited to see your work, and I hope you have fun hunting for shapes.